Hello viewers, again welcome to my YouTube channel How to Style, and today we are going to show you very beautiful and amazing creation of wreath design, homemade wreath creation, and you can make it at home. You can design by yourself, and it's a very healthy and mindful ideas. It is great mindfulness, and scientists prove that focused on something and do something like that, it increase your mental health and it is good for you. So making something craft, some artistic things, you can improve your health. And not just about it, it's not just about it, and it's about how to make this and making something different and artistic and unique and super extraordinary. You can post it on social media and grow as well, and your business grow as well. So viewers, in this video we show you the best ideas of beautiful ideas and simple ideas of wreath, and you can get ideas and you can make many things like that. In this video, gonna show you very amazing and interesting ideas of simple and easy, quick ready wreath. Take some round circles, wire or many things, and wrapped on jute rope and burlap craft. Add some bows, red and green flowers, red cherries, red simple cherries, and green grass. So doors or walls symbolize welcome, joy and togetherness. Today we will learn about different types of wreath, fun ways to make them, and even how turn your wreath making hobby into a small seasonal business opportunity. The wreath is one of the most recognized symbols of Xmas, traditionally made from evergreen branches. It represents eternal life and the circle of joy. But modern wreath can fabric ribbon, recycled material, or even pops of glitter and ornaments. The best part, making a wreath is not just about decoration, it's about creativity, family bonding and festive spirit. Paper wreath, cut leaves, क्या क्या कर रहे Cut leaves or holly shapes from green paper, glue them around a cardboard rings, and decorate with red berries made from pom-poms, a perfect school project. Take a strip of felt or fabric, tie them around a ring and fluff them out. Add a bow on top and you have a soft, colorful wreath for your wall. Wrap a ring with shiny ribbons, red, gold or silver, and add a few ornaments or bells, simple but elegant. Collect twigs, dry leaves or pine cones. Arrange them on a circle frame, tie with a string, and paint with a little gold spray for a rustic look. Use old magazines, bottle caps or cardboard rolls, cut, paint and arrange them into a circle. This eco-friendly option is fun and teaches recycling. Make a smaller version with embroidery hoops, mini wreath ornaments, bangles or small rings. Decorate them and hang them on your tree. Crafting wreath is fun because you can use anything you already have at home. Because beads, old clothes, glitter, even spoons or straws can be transformed into art. Imagine a family sitting together, children cutting paper leaves, parents helping with glue and even adding their personal touch. The result, not just a wreath but a memory, a piece of love that hangs proudly on your door. Wreath making is also relaxing, like therapy. The rhythm of wrapping ribbons, arranging leaves and adding sparkles with the heart with joy. Now, growing a wreath business this season. Let's talk about this. Now let's talk about the exciting part, turning your wreath crafts into a small business. Xmas is the season when people look for unique handmade decor, and wreaths are always in demand. offer different sizes: large door wreath, medium wall wreath, and mini wreath ornaments. More choice means more sales. Add names, initials, or family messages to the wreath. Personalization increases value. Sell online, post your wreath on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp groups. Good photos with XMAX lights with attract buyers. Bundle offers: sale a pack with one big wreath and two mini ornaments. Bundles make great gifts. Eco-friendly branding: highlight if your wreaths are made from recycled or natural materials. Many buyers prefer eco-friendly option. Festive packaging: wrap in clear plastic, tie with a ribbon, and add a Mary tag, something whatever you want. Beautiful packaging make a big difference. Each starting with a small supplies, cardboard, ribbons, and glue. You can make a few days, sell them, and reinvest in more materials. Slowly, this hobby can grow into a seasonal business. The beauty of wreath lies in their circle shape. They have no beginning and no end. Just like the joy of Xmas, they welcome guests at the door, spread cheers in school, and make an excellent handmade gift. And most important, they are a reminder that creativity has no limits. With just a little imagination, and ordinary drinks become a festive masterpiece. So, my friends, as we wrap up this season, we should have to do something beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, stay inspired. May your expect season be full of joy, happy new year, success, and beautiful handmade dress. Happy crafting. Do you want to expand more ideas